Can Imran Khan ever come out of the jail?
So we will be talking about Imran Khan.
Imran Khan. What is Imran Khan's, to add to what Naman is asking, what is Imran Khan's stand on the Baloch issue? Does he support it? Obviously, he doesn't want Balochistan to be a separate country. What is Imran Khan's thing? If he comes out, will he talk to the Baloch? If he comes out. First answer Naman's question. Is he coming out?
I don't think so he will come out. I'll tell you why. Again, giving you a historical
How long will he be in jail?
अभी बताता हूँ.
Okay.
So, when Zia carried out his coup and Bhutto was in jail, so one Pakistani politician told Zia, देखो कब्र एक है, दो लाशें हैं, एक तुम्हारी है, एक भुट्टो की है, तो तुम फैसला करो तुमने जाना अंदर या तुमने भुट्टो को भेजना है. Do you understand? The meaning was that Zia could not let Bhutto out because if he knew that if Bhutto came out, he is finished. Similarly, Asim Munir, the army chief, cannot let Imran Khan come out. Kabar ek hai. If Imran Khan was to come out, he was going to finish Asim Munir. So, as far as I am concerned, I'll be very surprised if Imran Khan is released.
But why is he still in jail? Like, why didn't the army do... I'm not saying they should, but what I'm saying is, why didn't the army do to Imran what they did to Bhutto, what they've done to other civilian leaders? या तो उसको मुल्क से बाहर भेज दो, right? Like they did to the Sharifs, one can go on talking about history. Why is what they have done to Imran completely different from what they've done to earlier?
He doesn't want to go himself. He doesn't want to go abroad.
क्या फर्क पड़ता है? वो जबरदस्ती भेज दें वो?
कैसे उसको drug करके put him in a plane?
Which is not a difficult thing when it
No, he'll come back.
Okay.
The second, they can't take strong arm measures against him because he is a cult figure. The reaction in Pakistan will be so severe, even in Punjab, especially in Punjab. I don't think so the Pakistan army will be able to manage it. You see, why did Zia carry out his coup? Because there was a strong PNA agitation. They crushed it everywhere else. When people protested in Lahore and the army was asked to open fire, 3 brigadiers refused to carry out the orders. The 3 brigadiers were court-martialed. Because they knew the Punjabi troops will never fire on a Punjabi crowd. That's when Zia realized that my army ka integrity and the unity of the chain of command is going to go if I don't get rid of Bhutto. So then he moved in and staged his coup. Likewise, the army cannot trust that if you get rid of Imran Khan physically, jo Punjab mein reaction aayega. Because the PMLN
and that is when he's not a Punjabi.
Yeah.
Imagine what will happen with the Pakhtuns.
Yeah. So, that Nawaz Sharif, the PMLN, is totally defunct in Punjab. If they were a strong party, they would have to resist. They could have resisted against any civil protest. Today, they were not in a position to resist.
So, PMLN is not in a position to do anything in Punjab. Who's in a position to do anything then in Pakistan? I mean, if Sindh में कुछ भी नहीं कर सकता Zardari, अगर पंजाब में कुछ नहीं
कर सकता, तो वो popularity retain करेगा. They become unpopular, but that popularity is there of the Sindhis. That loyalty is there.
Do subscribe to the ANI Clips channel to get shorter versions of this podcast. Click here to watch the full episode.